Hi, nice to meet you. I want to give you a quick overview of Contactsloop, the easiest and fastest way where you can build an email list for your business, whether it's for sales or for recruiting, for example. So the first step is really just creating a free account. You can sign up for free in seconds, and then you log into the platform. Now, the first time you log into the platform, as you can see here, you have 500 credits free, and you can earn other 200 free credits for every friend you invite to the platform. So keep that in mind if you want some extra free searches. Now, let's imagine that we're here and we want to find a VP marketing, vice president marketing, head of marketing type of profiles across a certain range of companies. So what I would do, I would come here, click start from scratch. The only thing I need to do is really just put in a few keywords, VP marketing, vice president marketing, maybe CMO, head of marketing, that describe the profile of the person I'm looking for. And then here I can put, for example, Airbnb.com, and I could even paste a list of domains if I want to do a bulk search. Then I know that this search will cost 100 credits, but I have 500 credit free. So I click build list, and then I just name this list, for example, VP marketing, so I can save this persona for future searches. Okay, after a few seconds, you get the list. It may take a little longer, a little shorter, depending on how many people are in the search. In this case, there were 141 people found. Now, what you can do is first, you can refine your list. So by clicking on this thumb down button, you can essentially exclude some of the contacts from your list, and you can essentially teach the system, which will refine the persona for the next searches. By the way, what you get with the search is a list of people with their name and their link to their LinkedIn profile, their title, location, company, and then email address. Now, all the email addresses are already verified. For those domains that don't support the SMTP ping, we already find the email pattern for the company, and we extended it throughout all the lists, so you can have all the email addresses. Now, what you can do, you can click on download and download all the data in a CSV format. What you can also do, if you have to repeat the search at a later stage, the persona VP marketing is already saved, and it's already, you can use it for further searches if you want. And each search, when you will provide feedback to the system, will enable the system to learn and really refine the persona. You can also find all the lists that you search here in the section list. And for example, here you can open the list, and you can download it from here too at a later stage if you want. The last thing is really the key sign here is your account. From here, you can see how many credits you have left. You can eventually buy credits, but also you can invite your friends and earn more credits. You get 200 credits for every friend you invite. So you can click here and really spread the voice and get some few extra free searches. So that's it for now. I hope I give you a quick overview of how Contactsloop works and how it can be useful to you guys. If you have any question, feedback, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.